Is your Porsche 997 alarm going off for no reason? The most common culprits are faulty door Frunk switches, a malfunctioning tilt sensor, or a dead siren battery. First, check your door and Frunk switches for corrosion or damage. Even a small amount of debris can cause a false trigger. Next, consider the tilt sensor, especially if you park on uneven surfaces or live in an area with vibrations. Its sensitivity might need adjustment or replacement with an aftermarket sensor. Finally, the Siren has a backup battery that typically lasts 5 to 7 years. A weak or dead battery can signal a fault and trigger the alarm. Addressing these three components will resolve the majority of nuisance alarms. For door and Frunk switches, start by cleaning them with contact cleaner. If that doesn't work, replace them with OEM-compatible parts from auto parts suppliers. If the tilt sensor is faulty, recalibrate it using a diagnostic tool. For better reliability, consider upgrading to an aftermarket accelerometer-style sensor. When the Siren battery is dead, replace the entire Siren unit for the best solution. All these parts are available online through retailers like Pelican Parts and ECS Tuning. Remember to use a VAGCOM scanner to clear any fault codes after making repairs.